Yo, what's good? Big news from HeyGen, Avatar 4 just got a major glow up. Now you can flex full control over your avatar's body motion, gestures, and even those tiny facial expressions, all with some slick prompting. Want to know how it works? Let's break it down quick and easy. Head to Create Avatar 4, like always. Drop your pick. Upload the image you want for your avatar. Write your script and pick a voice from their dope-ass library. Or, if you're feeling extra, upload your own audio. Want to use a different voice that match the tone and energy of your audio? Use the voice mirroring feature. It copies the vibe of your recording or uploaded audio, but lets you pair it with any voice from their amazing library. So you get exactly the voice and mood you're after. In that prompt box, you can tweak your avatar's expressions, head tilts, body motion, and gestures.
Hey, I don't know if you noticed this, but all my voice, motions, expressions, and everything you see is generated by Avatar 4. All done in HeyGen.